Hi friend, welcome to my channel Digital Remote Sensing. Today I will discuss how to composite band or layer stacking in multispectral data in Sentinel-2 data through ArcGIS software. At first open ArcGIS software, then add there are available 12 band or Sentinel-2. So at first at band 1, control button, select all 12 band, then add. And next go to customize, then extension, then spatial analysis, and close, then windows and image analysis. So there are image analysis tool, open, then select 12 bands, then composite, control button shape, press and select 12 band, then processing, and composite selected layer from temporary multi-band layer. Click to automatically create this composite layer. So minimize this single band, 12 band. So complete the layer stacking. Then next the standard false color composite. So right click of this layer properties, then RGB composite, red near infrared band of Sentinel-2 data 8, and red is the 4 and then 3. Then apply. So this is the standard false color composite of the satellite Sentinel-2. Another process is the change of this band. So next process of this ArcGIS toolbox or ArcGIS software. So at first go to data management tools, then raster and raster processing composite band. So another process of the band composite and layer stacking. So input 12 bands, enter. So mistake of the band 7, and change the upper and lower bottom. Select this band 6 upper, so upper of this band 6. So complete with 12 bands of Sentinel-2 data, and then output composite, then okay. So composite bands that are done. So there is the layer stacking or composite multi-band image. So change this band composition or standard for color composite. Sentinel data actually band composition. So near infrared band 8, then band 4 red and band 3 green. So change this band composition. So at first 8, 4, then 3. Change this band composition. And another way, right click of this composite symbology, then RGB composite. So change this 8, 4, 3, then OK. So this video is our layer stacking and band composition. If my video is helpful to you, please like this video. It will be very helpful every ArcGIS learner. So share this video among your friends to get every notification from my channel. Please subscribe my channel. Click on bell icon. Thanks for watching.